Pingyuan Zhenghao Machinery Company Limited is a specialized manufacturer and exporter of machine tools, accessories, and vices. Our factory is located in Pingyuan, one of the production bases of machine tools accessories in China. Have a history, many years of machine tools accessories. We, Zhenghao Machinery, have a committed team of factory management, technical, and product development teams, production workers, exporting teams, professional logistics specialists, and after-sales service team. Our company have advanced technology and manufacturing equipment, including auto CNC machines, CNC machine centers, milling machine, precision grinding machine, and product inspection machines. Together with our production lines, we have strict quality control process for all production progress to supply high-quality products. Our main products are precision combination bench vice precision tool vices, machine vices, elastic collets, collet chucks, milling tool holders, NC tool holders, tapping and drill chucks live center, boring heads, clamping kits, quick change tool post sets, carbide end mills, and other machine tools, tooling systems. Our products are exported to more than 50 countries and regions in the world through Alibaba and offline work. We have good reputation in markets, including USA, Canada, UK, European countries, Australia, Brazil, South Africa, Japan, Korea, many other countries and places. Our responsive customer service team and well-managed ready stock enable us to facilitate prompt deliveries, offering unparalleled reliability and product excellence. As manufacturer, always adhering to the principle of quality first, service first. We, Pingyuan Zhenghao Machinery, sincerely welcome you to contact us and visit our factory for cooperation.